Hi guys, I'm back again. So another parcel tayo unboxing. It's for the health naman, the health side. Okay. Okay, it's well packed, well ballot with bubble wrap and all, and we will sira this. So another salamat Shopee whole, Haul. So this one is Paragis capsule from Belvine or Belvin. Paragis. Ay, naano siya ng light. May sarili po kasing ring light yung aking cellphone. Ayun, Paragis. This one is activated charcoal. So, gagamitin to, ang usage niya, ang purpose ko, bakit in-order ko yung activated charcoal is for DIY whitening ng ngipin kasi masakit sa gilagid yung baking soda and hindi maganda pala na hahaluan siya yung baking soda ng lemon or calamansi. It's very masakit to the gilagid. So, according to my BFF, it's better use activated charcoal. And activated charcoal din pala, if your stomach is upset and all, you can take this para ma-normalize doon yung intestinal flora. Ganon. And the last one is malunggay. Moringa capsule. Wala lang. For health na naman tayo. Health is wealth. On the good side tayo. Pili tayo ng something na makakabuti sa ating sarili. So, eto, sila lahat. Light natin para hindi siya yung flash. Ano yung flash ba? So, Paragis, Moringa capsule, and activated charcoal. So, that's all muna, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love.